Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Panda 2's channel, and we are learning Render, and we are painting today. Okay, nice. Hey, John Travolta here. Okay, click here. Hey cat, bye bye. See ya. Okay. This is object mode, edit mode, and you have to select edit mode in this section and select face and select with Control K other face. Nice. We paint here first. Material here and add new and top of show cabinet. Nice. And we paint this blue or like this. I like blue. Nice. And I click assign. Okay. Nice. And I click here. Nice. Shading. We can see also render without render and color or texture. Okay. This is top of cabinet. Nice. And I want to paint this section. I press Ctrl key and click this frame, whole section, and select them and new material and here double click, change rename, mirror frame. Nice. I think it is black. Yes. And click assign. Also nice. We change mirror color. Okay. Color. Of course white. But this I think better. Nice. Show cabinet color. You can see lots of section, but I think we are different things, new things. Okay. I select okay. Is correct. With Ctrl Alt key, and you can select this section and control click deselect here. Also click here. Oh, okay, I can control click here. It is very nice for me. Not here. So why? Okay. We paint first frame. Okay. And I think it is very good. Okay. Not here, not here. Why select here? I select this, this, also this. Not this, not this, not this. There is a wrong. Okay. Assign. Break assign. Break assign. Also break. Assign, nice. And we add new color. White frame. Okay. And I think this is better. Gray. Okay. Assign. 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 Nice. Also white frame assign. White frame assign. White frame assign. White frame assign. Nice. White frame assign. Okay. Assign. Assign. Select mirror frame assign. Also select mirror frame assign. Also select white frame assign. Nice. Okay. I like this. Click here, click here, click here. Okay. We select bye-bye. I think it is a good idea. Here. Nice. I like painting. And select mirror frame. It's black, you know. And click assign. Click mirror assign. Click mirror. Assign. Click mirror assign. Nice. Hey. Okay. It is good to me. And good to you. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And we have to mirror color. Assign, click here. And there is another mirror here. And there is another mirror here. Nice. we paint this. Also, we paint here. Blue. 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 Nice. Also here, blue. And blue. And blue. Nice. Hello, blue. And again, hello, blue. Nice to me. Good. I think better good show cabinet here. And I turn to object mode. Okay. And render image. You can see this is not for us. Okay. And I change position here. Nice, it is good. And I press Ctrl Alt 0, non-lock 0, okay. And I think good position here. Nice, nice. Yep. Okay. I press scroll, middle mouse button, I press and shift. I can change position like this. Also, control, zoom in, zoom out, alt. Oh, so I think this is good position with middle scroll view. Nice, nice. By the way, sorry my poor English, but I am learning. I have to talk too much. Nice. I like that. And press Ctrl Alt non-lock 0. Okay. And click render. Nice. I like that. Good for us. For me also. I press 5 non-lock. And I want to add mesh plane here. Nice. And be careful, my mouse here, or you can change size here. I press S and I am my mouse going up, okay, and it is enough for me. And I press G and E. No, I press G, Z. Okay, it is good now. This is our press G and Z. Okay, it is okay now. And click render again. Nice. We can see shadow. Nice to me and nice to you. Okay. This is our light point, but I want to spot. Nice. And here, it is better than I think. Nice, our star here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Please don't forget subscribe and comment and like buttons. I think we can do lots of modeling like this. I like Blender. I like this open source program. I hope you like it. Nice. Press Ctrl S, Ctrl S for save, or here. Nice. We are going fast, I think. Nice. See you next time. Bye.